In this session, we'll learn about the special authorization object called P underscore T code. Now, P underscore T code, this object enables you to check whether a user is authorized to start the different HR transaction codes. In HR, you have transaction codes that bring in authorization objects when you enter them into the role. For example, when you enter PA30 into the role, it will automatically bring in P underscore origin object, which is for controlling access to HR master data. And PA30 is a transaction code for maintaining the HR master data. So when you put PA30 into the role, the system, the PA30 transaction has its own authorization objects, which can be used to control the access that it gives. But you also have transaction codes in HR which do not have their own authorization objects, meaning when you put such transaction codes into the role, they don't bring in any other additional object. For such transaction codes, you need access to the authorization object P underscore T code in order to execute those transactions. So when you put the transaction codes in a role, any transaction code in a role, those transaction codes get into the authorization object S underscore T code, which is for start transaction code. But there are HR transaction codes which, along with S underscore T code entry, you need access to the P underscore T code authorization object. Now, P underscore T code authorization object is the HR equivalent of S underscore T code. Now, S underscore T code, the P underscore T code authorization object was implemented before S underscore T code was introduced within SAP. But given the increased need for protecting the HR data, the P underscore T code object was retained as a protective measure. So transaction codes such as PE03, when you put that in a role, you will see that it is there in S underscore T code, but also to execute PE03, you would need access to this transaction code PE03 in P underscore T code object also. So we'll see that as a demo. In our demo, we'll use PE03 as an example to see, to understand the need for P underscore T code authorization object.